What is asset protection and why you can't rely on insurance? How to use trusts and LLCs for asset protection. Evaluating different risks and strategies. Legal compliance and differences depending on where you live. New technologies that can help with asset protection. People first asset protection strategies and changes and what's going on in the future. Okay, now let's talk about why you can't rely on insurance. Adding insurance to your asset protection plan is like putting an extra lock on your vault. It adds an extra layer of security, helping to buffer your wealth during a crisis. But here's the deal. Insurance isn't a cure-all. There are plenty of things that insurance doesn't cover. For example, breach of contract, one of the most common causes of lawsuits. Then there are environmental violations, punitive damages, cyber attacks that expose private customer data. There are regulatory fines from government agencies, copyright or trademark violations, discrimination, acts of God, employee dishonesty, and product recalls. Pretty hard to find insurance that cover these risks. And here's another thing. When it comes to filing a claim, insurance companies can be pretty slippery. If they find a loophole in your policy, don't be surprised if they refuse to pay up. And that's why a holistic approach that includes the proper legal tools like an asset protection trust is essential for truly robust asset protection. Okay, using trusts and LLCs for asset protection. That said, trusts and LLCs are the backbone of any solid asset protection plan. Trusts can keep your assets out of reach from judgment creditors, and they're great for preserving wealth for future generations. On the other hand, LLCs are excellent for shielding personal assets from business-related risks, and together, these tools create a powerful legal barrier that protects your wealth from potential threats. And we agree with a Forbes article that says trusts are particularly useful for families with complex assets or those looking to minimize estate taxes. And with today's technological advancements, making these tools has never been easier. Modern software has made providing the accounting for LLCs and trusts a breeze. And online banking lets you handle your finances no matter where you are in the world. Technology not only simplifies the process, but also enhances transparency and reduces the risk of fraud. Okay, now part 3, evaluating risks and strategies. Effective asset protection starts with understanding your financial landscape and identifying potential risks. Are you a high-risk professional? Are you getting threatening letters from a lawyer? Is there a divorce on the horizon? Taking a proactive approach ensures that your assets are protected before issues arrive. It's like preparing for a major life event. Planning ahead is the key to securing your future. Using a combination of technology and expert advice to tailor a solution that fits your needs. We use financial simulation tools to help you visualize potential risks, making decision-making easier. And by working with a financial consultant, you can create a comprehensive plan that covers all your bases. Insurance plays a role too. Liability, property, and life insurance provide additional layers of protection against the unexpected. Okay, section 4, legal compliance and jurisdictional considerations. Understanding the legal environment across different jurisdictions is crucial for effective asset protection. Strategies that work in one place may not be effective elsewhere. So consulting with the right legal professionals is essential to ensure your plan is both compliant and effective. Legal compliance isn't static. Laws and regulations change frequently. So it's important to regularly review and update your strategies. Staying on top of these changes can help your asset protection plan be effective and stay legally sound. Section 5, technological advancements in asset protection. Advanced technology is revolutionizing asset protection strategies. Legal management software simplify the process of staying tax compliant and maintaining the trusts and LLCs. Digital vaults offer encrypted storage solutions for your most critical documents, and blockchain technology provides an unchangeable record of asset ownership and transactions, reducing the risk of fraud and enhancing transparency. Okay, section 6, people first asset protection strategies. At the heart of an asset protection plan is a focus on people, because ultimately it's about safeguarding the futures of individuals and their families. Understanding each client's unique situation, showing empathy in financial planning, and recognizing the psychological impacts of asset protection can transform the process from a cold, legalistic endeavor into a supportive, secure experience. That's why we often do Zoom calls with clients, especially when walking through their due diligence after they decided to set up an asset protection plan. And so advisors and the staff on our team who approach asset protection with empathy build stronger relationships with their clients, fostering trust and ensuring that the strategies we implement are both comprehensive and aligned with the client's personal goals. It's not just about numbers, it's about protecting what matters most. Section 7, additional considerations and future outlook. In the ever-changing world of finance and law, adapting your asset protection strategies to reflect the new challenges and opportunities is crucial. Regularly refining your approach increases resilience against emerging risks and ensures that your plan remains effective in the long term. Consulting with estate planning attorneys and financial advisors and business consultants that we can hook you up with allows you to stay ahead of the curve, receiving personalized advice that addresses the specific intricacies of your financial situation. We have experienced attorneys and consultants on our staff. Plus, we have tax advisors, bankers, and other professionals on our team to provide the support that our clients need, and these professionals work together to build a united front protecting your wealth from unforeseen liabilities and ensuring that your asset protection plan is always up to date.